What's up, guys? Today we're going to be learning about your Mercedes 48 volt hybrid battery and what can be going on with it. I think there's like a software problem, so let's go ahead and check it
If
out.
your Mercedes-Benz is experiencing a 48-volt hybrid battery warning, do not replace the high-voltage hybrid battery until you check the battery control unit software. The instinct for many drivers and shops is to throw a massively expensive hybrid battery at this issue. That is a devastating mistake that can drain thousands of dollars from your wallet for absolutely no reason. The error code on your scanner will practically beg you to replace the battery. However, the physical hardware is completely fine, and the battery itself has plenty of life left in it. This is a classic case of a software algorithm tricking the car into thinking its own battery is dying. If you swap the battery out without correcting the software, the warning will return during the next cold snap. This problem affects several models from 2023 through 2025. These include the AMG S 63E Performance, AMG GLC 63SE Performance, AMG
List
GLC
them all
43, and S504 MATIC.
A bunch of them.
If you drive one of these high-performance mild hybrids, you rely on a sophisticated 48-volt electrical network. That network depends entirely on a complex lithium-ion battery module to assist the engine. To understand why this system fails, we have to look closely at the physics of lithium-ion chemistry. When the ambient temperature drops below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, the chemical reactions inside the battery cells slow down. Inside each cell, lithium ions must travel from the cathode to the anode through a liquid electrolyte. In cold conditions, this liquid electrolyte becomes much thicker and more viscous. This viscosity physically restricts the speed at which the ions can migrate. At the exact same time, the charge transfer resistance at the boundary layers of the electrodes spikes dramatically. This means the battery has to work significantly harder to pass electrical current back and forth. This natural physical behavior of lithium-ion cells in cold weather causes the overall internal resistance of the pack to rise. This resistance spike is entirely temporary and goes away as soon as the battery warms up. The battery chemistry is not damaged, and the cells have not actually degraded or aged. In a properly designed system, the battery management control unit knows to ignore this temporary resistance spike. However, the software running inside the A66 battery module control unit has a major design flaw. It lacks the correct temperature compensation formulas to offset these cold weather readings. Instead of recognizing the high resistance as a normal reaction to cold, the software calculates it as physical cell degradation. The software falsely concludes that the battery has reached the end of its physical lifespan. It then triggers a diagnostic trouble code to tell you the battery must be replaced.
What's that trouble code?
When this erroneous calculation happens, your instrument cluster will light up with a yellow check engine light. You may also see a direct 48-volt system warning message display on your screen. If you plug in a standard scanner, you will find diagnostic trouble code P0A7F stored in the system. The description for this code states that the age limit of the hybrid battery module
may not get the
has been
on the
reached.
back.
Seeing that code
it's
makes
not a
it
factory
incredibly
schedule.
easy to assume your expensive battery has physically failed. In reality, there is absolutely nothing physically wrong with the battery cells. The lithium-ion pack is perfectly capable of holding a charge and delivering peak power. The entire crisis is born out of a mathematical error occurring deep inside the battery computer. To fix this issue, technicians must perform a highly precise software calibration routine. This process must be done at an authorized dealer because it requires direct programming through the Mercedes Entry system. The technician will first hook up the diagnostic tester to read actual value 056. This specific value represents the state of health resistance, which technicians refer to as SOH-R. Next, the technician will flash the A66 battery module control unit with updated software. This update contains the correct temperature resistance curves to fix the calculation error. Once the control unit is updated, the tech reads the SOH-R value again. If the new software calculates the value at or below 125%, the repair is done. The technician will clear the fault codes in both the PTCU and the A66 control units. At that point, the vehicle is fully repaired and ready to go back to the customer. However, if the SOH-R calculation remains above 125%, additional steps are required. The technician must take the vehicle on a continuous 60-minute drive cycle to retrain the computer.
Wow.
If the calculation is still too high after the drive, the vehicle must be parked inside a warm shop. The temperature must be above 59 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 12 hours. This warms the actual chemistry of the battery cells and lowers the internal resistance. The technician then performs another 60-minute drive cycle to let the software read the warm resistance. If the system still refuses to clear after these steps, engineering must be contacted for further help. Because Mercedes-Benz recognized this software defect, they issued an official service campaign under document CL-2025120010. If you take your vehicle to an authorized dealership, this software update is performed completely free of charge. But let's look at what this would cost if you were paying out of pocket. If a dealer were to perform this software reprogram out of warranty, it would total about $220. An independent shop using specialized programming tools would charge around $145 for the same service. The real financial tragedy occurs if you make the wrong assumption and replace the battery. A new 48-volt lithium-ion battery pack easily costs between $3,000 and $5,000. When you add high-voltage safety-certified labor, a dealership bill will easily rocket past $5,400. Even an independent shop attempting this complex hardware replacement would charge over $5,200. You would be throwing all of that money away to replace a perfectly healthy battery. Have you run into this frustrating 48-volt battery warning on your Mercedes-Benz during the winter months? Let me know your experience in the comments, and please like and subscribe for more money-saving diagnostic walkthroughs.
So that's pretty much it, guys. The one thing I would add is that this is not something I would take to like an independent shop. You're going to want to take it to the Mercedes dealer, because an independent shop can try and figure it out, charge you a bunch of diagnostic time, when Mercedes, they're seeing these all day, every day, and you can just go ahead and get squared away with them and not pay quite as much diagnostic fee. And if there's a campaign, it looks like there's a campaign number, then Mercedes will cover it, and hopefully your car's still under warranty. But yeah, I would definitely take this to the Mercedes dealer. That's my recommendation. That's what I would do if I had the car. Anyways, that is it. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.